here.
Oh god, the portal is coming.
Wait, what the hell are you doing?
Hello, everyone. My name is bluejohntheeasguy, who be attacking ones.
Wait, I have an idea. Let's be turning by our new villain be bad villain. Who is it?
Hey, how are you? Go back here.
Sorry. Hey, don't be listening us. Be quiet. I will just do it.
Okay. Listen, do you be a great final war that happened to be a villain or a hero? Okay too. Go there.
Okay, guys. My name is Tu. So who be a hero or a villain? So what happened to learn about this? Maybe it's right or not right. Everyone, listen up. You're just a joke. Come on.
I said, who become a hero?
Yes. And who become a yes? Everyone, till your jokes is done talking.
Yes?
Hey, stop doing that again. Do not fight. Yes.
2. How? It's not to be a fight, this villains, who also this one.
Guys, let's fight to be a hero. Okay, we're here. So who are first? Hal?
Alright.
Oh no, it's much to be a demon dinosaur. Hal, fight them!
Okay,